Weigh out enough sodium bromate crystals to achieve a 0.8 molar solution. Add 100 ml of 2 molar sulfuric acid and 100 ml of deionized water to a 250 ml volumetric flask and shake to mix. Add the sodium bromate crystals through a dry funnel and shake the volumetric flask to dissolve the crystals. Carefully make the volume in the flask up to the line with deionized water. Add the required amounts of sodium bromate and malonic acid to a conical flask. In the fume cupboard, add the sodium bromide solution and stopper the conical flask immediately. Leave in the fume cupboard until the solution turns colourless once more. This will take approximately 5 minutes. Add the ferroin solution using an autopipette and swirl to mix. Set up the equipment as shown here and described in the lab script. If your magnetic stirrer machine has a heat function, ensure that this function is turned off. Add the contents of the flask to the boiling tube and set to stir. Wait until the temperature in the bowl and the temperature of the boiling tube are within 0.2 degrees Celsius of each other. Record the temperature of the reaction mixture. When the mixture turns blue again, start the stopwatch. As soon as the solution returns to blue, use the lap function on the stopwatch to record the time to 1/10 of a second. A video demonstrating how to use the lap function on the stopwatch is available on the Level 4 website. Continue to record the time between each blue phase until at least 6 consistent readings have been achieved. Using ice or hot water, adjust the temperature of the water bath. Wait until the temperature of the test tube and water bath are within 0.2 degrees Celsius of each other and record the temperature of the reaction mixture. Collect data for the amount of time for the solution to turn blue at this new temperature until at least 6 consistent readings have been achieved. Monitor the temperature of the solution and the water bath and regulate with additions of more hot water or cold water if necessary. Repeat this with the reaction being at 3 other different temperatures. Then make up another reagent mixture and repeat the experiment at a further 4 temperatures. The second part of this experiment is to record your observations of the reaction in a Petri dish. Make up another reagent mixture using directions from the lab script and pour into a Petri dish. Swell the Petri dish to ensure that the surface area is covered and record your observations.